whatever door, whatever's behind whatever door you pick. So choose wisely.
That door.
No.
The garage door.
Door number 1, door number 2, and door number 3.
Your birthday present is behind one of these doors.
One.
No. You want what's behind number 1?
No.
No.
Pick 3, pick 2.
There's nothing. You're gonna get nothing.
Pick 2.
What's behind door number 1?
A car.
You want a car.
You want Daddy a car.
Uh-oh, you got nothing.
I gotta go.
All right. We'll give you another chance. There's 2 doors left. What's behind door number 2? Tarp. You want a tarp? Would you like to see what's behind door number 3? Step up to the door.
Step up to the door, man. Press it.
Gotta
be that one.
Hold right.
Hold still. Hold still.
Open it. Open them. Open your eyes.
Wow.
Get over there.
Careful. They're not set up to play, please. You gotta give it a second. You're on a truck.
You gotta get Mem in that. What do you think, Mem? I said, what do you think?
I can't get over the size of it.
I think it's too big for him.
All right, you can only play it in the garage with the doors shut.
Go. Play it with me. Why?
Parker, I said no. I don't want anything falling. It's not set up. It's just standing there.
And you're going to sing?
We'll take it downstairs and set it up.
Turn it on.
Nice color.
Huh?
I told you you were going to sleep.